Hey, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to be discussing why Bluehost is the best web hosting for beginners. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. So stick around, and by the end of this video, you'll understand why it's one of the most recommended platforms to kickstart your online journey. Alright, let's dive right in. Bluehost has been around for a long time and is officially recommended by WordPress. But what makes it so great for beginners? So whether you're setting up your first website or your first online store, Bluehost has some clear advantages that make it super beginner friendly. So the ease of use. So first up, ease of use. When you're starting out, the last thing you want is a complicated setup process. Bluehost offers an incredible, simple, beginner-focused interface from the moment you sign up. The dashboard is straightforward with easy access to everything you need. From installing WordPress to managing domains to setting up email. In fact, Bluehost offers a one-click WordPress installation that gets your website up and running in literally minutes. Now let's talk about the pricing of Bluehost. I'm going to click on the pricing tab here. So they've got affordable pricing. So another major perk for beginners, it's pricing. Let's face it, starting a website on a budget is a big deal for most people. Bluehost offers very competitive pricing. As you can see here, I'll leave a link in the description for even bigger savings than what you currently see. So with all this, you get a free domain for your first year, free SSL certificates to secure your site, and plenty of storage space, all at an entry-level price. And if you're not happy, there's also a 30-day money-back guarantee, which is great for peace of mind. It's a low-risk option for anyone just getting starting out. Okay, as I mentioned earlier, Bluehost it is recommended by WordPress itself. That's because the platform offers seamless integration with WordPress, which is great for beginners who want to use the world's most popular website builder. You don't need any coding skills to set up a professional looking WordPress site on Bluehost. Plus, their hosting plans come with automatic WordPress updates and easy access to themes and plugins. All right, now let's talk about support. So, when you're new to web hosting, chances are you run into some questions. Bluehost provides 24/7 customer support through live chat, phone, and email. The customer service team is experienced at helping beginners troubleshoot common issues, plus their online resources like tutorial and guides can walk you through almost anything if you're more of a DIY type of person. Another great feature for beginners is the free website builder that comes with Bluehost. If WordPress feels too complex at first, the Bluehost builder is an intuitive drag and drop tool that lets you create your website visually without needing any coding or technical expertise. This makes it perfect for anyone who just wants to get their site up quickly without worrying about the back end. Let's not forget about security. Bluehost provides free SSL certificates with all their plans, meaning your website will be secure for your visitors. Additionally, they offer options like automated daily backups and malware detection. Even if you're just starting out, these are important features to protect your site. Now let's talk about scalability. So as a beginner, you may not be thinking too much about the future, but Bluehost gives you room to grow. The hosting plans are flexible, so as your site gets more traffic or you need more advanced features, you can easily upgrade to higher tier plans without needing to switch providers. So why is Bluehost the best web hosting for beginners? In short, it's easy to use, affordable, integrates perfectly with WordPress, provides excellent 24/7 support, offers great security features, and gives you room to grow. Whether you're starting a personal blog, a business site, or an online store, Bluehost has everything you need to get started without the headaches. So if you're ready to get started with Bluehost, check the link in the description for any discounts available. And also don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if it helped you out, and subscribe for more tips on building your online presence.